Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, it's folding phones all around, whether it is Samsung, whether it's Oppo, whether it's Huawei or any other brand. Even Apple has been talking about it, but we don't see that happening in 2022, but maybe in 2023 we can expect a folding phone from Apple as well. So guys, but there is one brand which revolutionized the folding phone industry, which started all and is still leading the market space with their innovation, and that is Samsung. So today we have with us the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, this is the third generation of their smartphone, of their folding smartphone, and still continues to dominate the market purely because of the quality of the product that they have built up and the design concept of it. We're going to show you everything. I'll tell you everything about it. Once you've pressed the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Instagram or IGTV or Facebook or TikTok, just do follow us there as well, and we will love to hear from you there as well. It's all about spreading the love. So guys, getting straight on to the business, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is the box that we received it in. Slim, minimalistic, beautiful chic packing. As we open the box, we have the phone straight out, and we will remove this packing right away so we can focus on the phone. Under that is nothing more than some paperwork. Let's get this out so that we know. SIM card tray, and that's pretty much it. And some paperwork and the Type-C charging cable. No box again. No charging adapter that you have to buy separately when it comes to Samsung products. So I'm sure that they might be reconsidering that in the next generation. But if they don't, we're still good to go with it. And this is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Now, this is gorgeous. Now, this has got absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, Armour Aluminium frame. Gorilla Glass Victus there in the front screen here, and then as you in the open side, we've got the AMOLED 2X. So it's AMOLED 2X display with Gorilla Glass protection, and it has the PC-like productivity, easy folding, as you can see, and this is how it looks like when it's folded. So you will absolutely get an idea. Triple camera setup, we're going to tell you everything about it, and as we open it, that's the size we get. It's a 7.6 inches of main screen size, which is giving out 1678 by 2208 resolution. So let's turn this bad boy on. As it turns itself on, you can see it's the same notification going in the front and at the back as well. The cover screen is 6.2 inches diagonal right here, 832 by 2268 pixels of resolution. A bit of narrow right here, but it does the job. Great one-hand operation when you're holding it. Looks unique, it looks gorgeous, and 120 Hz of refresh rate both in front and inside as well. When it comes to close size, it's 158.2 by 128.1 by 6.4 mm when it's open, and it just increases the size to 14 mm when it's closed. And here we go. So great size. Now let's talk about the camera. Now 12 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel is wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, a triple camera setup with some great AI features. When you come in the front, it's got a 10 megapixel front HID camera, and then one of the unique parts is as you turn it on, it's got the under display camera of 4 megapixel as well. So you can actually unlock using the phrase screen and still take selfies in this mode as well. So let's take some and show you how they look. So this is from the under display camera, and then we will take one by closing it in the selfie mode, and this is with the front camera right there. So fantastic camera setup, and of course the rear camera is equally good. Now what I love about this is the multitasking bit. When you are working and let's say you're having a video call, that's the shape you need to be in. So you can actually have an hands-free operation while you're doing your video calls and absolutely enjoy it. So multitasking again, 2 double screens. You can open 2 parallel screens for 2 different workspaces when it's on the open mode. So you can multitask while you can check your messages while reading your emails and so on, or looking at your stock prices on one side and chatting with your friends on WhatsApp or video call on the other side. So this is fantastic multitasking PC-like features, which is lovely. And then to power this all up is Snapdragon 888 5G chipset. That's an octa-core chipset, Android 11 on One UI 3.1.1, 12 GB with 256 and 512 on the ROM options available, and 4,400 mAh battery. It's got a nano SIM option, and the second dual SIM can be an eSIM. So 3 amazing colors. The one we have is Phantom Black. It also comes in Phantom Green and Phantom Silver. So what we loved about the phone, interestingly, was the under-display camera is fantastic. It gives you a complete viewing experience and without having an obstruction of a pinhole. So that's fantastic. Love the flex mode, that mode. So love that mode as well. It was amazing. I've used it many times like this, literally watching video on this side of the screen and enjoyed it. And looking at my stock prices at the bottom, so it was absolutely amazing. So split screen options were another fantastic mode. So it makes it easier for us to multitask. It's IPX8 water resistance, so you can actually, if you're caught up in rain or, accidentally in your pocket and go, take it under the shower, don't worry about it. That is built to resist all that. So which is fantastic. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, an adorable looking phone, very professional. I think working executives makes sense. And when you open it, it's got the perfect mode to multitask for you and give you a bigger screen. So if I show you, this is how my mail looks like when it's opened. And as you can see, beautiful, isn't it? So you get that beautiful whole screen option. And if you go into that, flip it on the other side, you get the reading mode on the right side. So you're able to see what's happening at the same time. So fantastic. Love this phone. Guys, this is your friend, the Great. I'll be signing off with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. So Z Fold 3 5G. And keep yourself safe. Peace.